Welcome to Cognixia Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Cognixia Podcast. We are here with another compelling episode today. Every week, we gather to explore fascinating topics from the world of technology, examining their transformative potential, discussing their impact on business operations, and analyzing what the future holds for these innovations that are reshaping our digital enterprise landscape. In today's episode, we delve into the revolutionary intersection of artificial intelligence and business intelligence, specifically focusing on AI in Microsoft Power BI. From emerging MCP server architectures to advanced analytics capabilities, AI is fundamentally transforming how organizations approach data visualization, reporting, and decision-making. So let's embark on this analytical journey, shall we? To understand the significance of AI integration in Power BI, we must first examine the current landscape of business intelligence. Power BI has established itself as Microsoft's flagship business analytics platform, empowering organizations to visualize data, share insights across teams, and make data-driven decisions at scale. With over 5 million paid users globally, Power BI represents one of the fastest-growing segments in Microsoft's enterprise portfolio. Traditional Power BI workflows have relied heavily on manual processes. Data analysts spend countless hours preparing datasets, creating visualizations, and maintaining complex data models. While powerful, these conventional approaches often create bottlenecks, require specialized expertise, and struggle to keep pace with the exponential growth of enterprise data volumes. This is where artificial intelligence enters the narrative, promising to revolutionize every aspect of the business intelligence lifecycle. Microsoft has been steadily integrating AI capabilities throughout the Power BI ecosystem, introducing features that automate routine tasks, enhance data discovery, and provide intelligent insights. These AI-powered enhancements include natural language processing for query generation, automated machine learning capabilities, and intelligent data preparation tools. The Q&A feature in Power BI exemplifies this transformation, allowing users to ask questions in plain English and receive instant visualizations. Instead of requiring technical knowledge of DAX formulas or data modeling concepts, business users can simply type "Show me sales trends by region" and receive comprehensive charts within seconds. Similarly, the AI-powered Key Influencers visual automatically identifies the factors most significantly impacting specific metrics, eliminating hours of manual analysis. These capabilities represent just the beginning of what's possible when artificial intelligence meets business intelligence. Perhaps the most exciting development on the horizon is the potential integration of Model Context Protocol servers within enterprise Power BI environments. MCP servers represent a revolutionary approach to AI integration, providing standardized interfaces for connecting AI models with business applications. In the context of Power BI development workflows, MCP servers could fundamentally transform how organizations approach analytics. Imagine a development environment where AI assistants have direct access to your data models, understand your business context, and can automatically generate complex DAX calculations, optimize data relationships, and suggest visualization improvements. An MCP server integrated with Power BI could maintain persistent knowledge about an organization's data architecture, business rules, and reporting requirements. When developers need to create new measures or modify existing reports, the AI assistant would understand the complete context of the data model, existing calculations, and business objectives. For instance, when a financial analyst needs to create a year-over-year comparison report, an MCP-enabled AI assistant could automatically identify the appropriate date tables, suggest relevant time intelligence functions, and even recommend complementary visualizations based on similar reports within the organization. This contextual awareness extends beyond individual reports. MCP servers could analyze patterns across an entire Power BI tenant, identifying opportunities for consolidation, suggesting performance optimizations, and ensuring consistency in calculations and naming conventions across different teams and departments. The integration of AI into Power BI development workflows extends far beyond automated report generation. Consider the complex process of data modeling, traditionally requiring deep expertise in dimensional modeling concepts and an intricate understanding of business relationships. AI-powered tools can analyze source data structures, automatically suggest optimal star schema designs, and identify potential data quality issues before they impact downstream reports. Machine learning algorithms can detect anomalies in data loads, predict when refresh operations might fail, and recommend proactive maintenance schedules. Natural language processing capabilities enable AI assistants to interpret business requirements expressed in everyday language and translate them into technical specifications. A business stakeholder might describe their need for monthly sales performance tracking with drill-down capabilities by product category and sales, representative parameters. And the AI system could generate the complete data model, measures, and visualizations required to fulfill this specific requirement. Furthermore, AI can optimize query performance by analyzing usage patterns and automatically implementing aggregations, partitioning strategies, and indexing recommendations. These optimizations happen transparently, ensuring that reports remain responsive even as data volumes grow exponentially. Power BI's integration with Azure Machine Learning opens entirely new possibilities for predictive analytics and advanced insights. Organizations can embed custom machine learning models directly within their reports, enabling real-time scoring and prediction capabilities. AI-powered forecasting features automatically analyze historical trends, identify seasonal patterns, and generate confidence intervals for future projections. These capabilities transform static reporting into dynamic, forward-looking analysis that guides strategic decision-making. The AutoML functionality in Power BI democratizes machine learning by automatically selecting appropriate algorithms, performing feature engineering, and generating explainable models. Business analysts without data science backgrounds can create sophisticated predictive models, expanding the reach of advanced analytics throughout the organization. Anomaly detection capabilities powered by machine learning algorithms can automatically identify unusual patterns in business metrics, alerting stakeholders to potential issues or opportunities that might otherwise go unnoticed in traditional reporting approaches. The evolution toward conversational analytics represents one of the most significant paradigm shifts in business intelligence. AI-powered natural language interfaces allow users to interact with data using everyday language, eliminating the traditional barriers between business questions and technical implementation. Modern natural language processing engines can understand complex queries involving multiple dimensions, time-based comparisons, and sophisticated filtering criteria. Users can ask questions like, what were our top-performing products in the Eastern region during the holiday season compared to last year, excluding discontinued items, and receive immediate, accurate responses. These conversational capabilities extend beyond simple question and answer interactions. AI assistants can engage in contextual dialogues, asking clarifying questions, suggesting related analyses, and guiding users through exploratory data analysis workflows. The integration of large language models with Power BI's semantic layer enables AI assistants to understand business terminology, interpret domain-specific concepts, and maintain context across extended analytical sessions. AI's capability to automatically generate insights from data represents a fundamental shift from reactive to proactive analytics. Instead of waiting for users to explore data and discover patterns, AI systems can continuously analyze datasets, identify significant trends, and surface actionable insights. These automated insights go beyond simple statistical summaries. AI algorithms can detect complex patterns, correlations, and causal relationships that might escape human observation. They can identify emerging trends, predict potential issues, and recommend specific actions based on historical patterns and business context. The storytelling capabilities of AI transform raw insights into compelling narratives. AI systems can automatically generate executive summaries, highlight key findings, and create presentation-ready content that communicates complex analytical results in accessible, business-friendly language. Successfully implementing AI capabilities in Power BI environments requires strategic planning and careful consideration of organizational readiness. Organizations should begin by identifying high-impact use cases where AI can deliver immediate value while building foundational capabilities for more advanced implementations. Data quality and governance become even more critical in AI-enabled environments. Organizations must establish robust data lineage tracking, implement comprehensive security frameworks, and ensure that AI-generated insights maintain the same level of accuracy and reliability expected from traditional reporting. Training and change management initiatives play crucial roles in successful AI adoption. Business users need to understand how to effectively interact with AI-powered tools, while IT teams must develop skills in managing and monitoring AI-enhanced analytical environments. Organizations should also consider hybrid approaches that combine AI automation with human expertise. While AI can handle routine tasks and generate initial insights, human analysts remain essential for contextual interpretation, strategic decision-making, and creative problem-solving. The future of AI and Power BI promises even more sophisticated capabilities. We can anticipate developments in autonomous data preparation, where AI systems automatically clean, transform, and model data based on intended analytical outcomes. Predictive data governance will enable AI to anticipate and prevent data quality issues before they impact business operations. The integration of multimodal AI capabilities will allow Power BI to analyze not just structured data, but also images, documents, and audio content, creating more comprehensive analytical insights. Real-time AI processing will enable instant responses to changing business conditions, transforming Power BI from a reporting tool into a proactive business intelligence platform. As MCP server architectures mature, we can expect seamless integration between AI assistants and Power BI development environments, creating collaborative workflows where human creativity combines with AI efficiency to produce exceptional analytical solutions. The integration of artificial intelligence with Power BI represents more than a technological upgrade. It signifies a fundamental transformation in how organizations approach data analysis and decision-making. From MCP servers that understand business context to natural language interfaces that democratize data access, AI is removing barriers and expanding possibilities throughout the analytical lifecycle. As we move forward, the organizations that successfully harness these AI capabilities will gain significant competitive advantages through faster insights, more accurate predictions, and more informed decision-making processes. The future belongs to those who embrace the synergy between human intelligence and artificial intelligence in their analytical endeavors. With that, we conclude this week's episode of the Cognixia Podcast. We trust that our exploration of AI and Power BI has provided valuable insights into the transformative potential of these technologies and sparked ideas for how they might benefit your organization's analytical capabilities. Remember, in the rapidly evolving world of business intelligence, those who adapt first often lead the way. We will return next week with another enlightening episode of the Cognixia Podcast. Until then, keep analyzing, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with data.